Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing well. Take out page number 28, Plants and Animals. What you have to do? You have to write true or false. Okay? Is it true? Number 1. No, two zebras have identical stripes. True or false? Children, you know every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white strips. Okay? But no two zebras have identical stripes. The sentence is true. Second one, only the female mosquito bites. The sentence is true. The female mosquito is the only one that bites. The female mosquito requires blood to produce eggs. So, only the female mosquito bites. The sentence is true. Third one, all canaries sing beautifully. All male canaries sing. So, the sentence is false. Number 4, unlike the ostrich, the rhea and the emu can fly. Rhea and emu cannot fly, so the sentence is false. An ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. You know, children, ant can lift so much, so the sentence is true. Number 6, conservation means step taken by people, governments and organizations to protect trees, plants, animals and nature. You already learned in your EVS, so the sentence is true. Dogs are short-sighted. Children, dogs sees a lot better than humans do at night. Dogs are short-sighted, that is true. An owl can see even in total darkness. Owl can see well at night. They cannot see color properly. So the sentence is true. Poachers are people who care for wild animals. Everybody knows the sentence is false. Last one, number 10. A bull gets angry when it sees the color red. The sentence is false. The color red does not make bulls angry. They cannot see red. So, a bull gets angry when it sees the color red. The sentence is false. You have to write answers in your GK textbook. Coming to page number 30, culture, sports and fun. Tick the correct option. In 2017, she became the highest ever scorer in women's one-day international cricket. The answer is Mithali Raj. Second one, the movie Dangal is about a father played by Amir Khan who coaches his daughters to become champion. Everybody knows the answer, wrestlers. Number 3, the PKL was started in 2014. It is very popular now. Children, you know PKL stands for Pro Kabaddi League. Okay. Fourth one, a long distance race for athletes. That is also very easy, marathon. The Tour de France is the most famous race of its kind in. The answer is cycling. Sachin Tendulkar, Saurav Ganguly, Abhishek Bachchan, MS Dhoni and John Abraham own ISL football teams. Okay, ISL, not IPL cricket teams, ISL football teams. In 2017, Days thrower Devendra Jajbhadia became the para-athlete, means an athlete who is differently able to win Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Javelin. Number 8, she was won more Grand Slam women's singles titles than an other tennis player. The answer is Serena Williams. She is a great tennis player from Spain, Garbine Muguruza. Okay, you have to tick the correct option. Coming to page number 31. You can see some musical instruments, chapter The Magic of Music. Wind instruments are an important part of an orchestra. There are two types of wind instruments, brass and woodwind. You know children, brass instruments are made of metal, usually brass. The sound of brass instrument is produced by the musician's lip vibrating against the mouthpiece so that the air vibrates in tube. Look at the picture carefully. A trumpet, a trombone, a saxophone. Second section, woodwind instrument. They are generally made of wood. Yes, they are generally made of wood. The sound is produced by the vibration of air in a hollow tube. Look at the picture, a piccolo and an oboe. One exercise is here. You have to tick the correct instrument. L. Shankar plays it, that is violin. Second one, U. Srinivas plays it. The instrument is mandolin. Pandit Ravi Shankar's daughter Anushka Shankar plays it. Yes, the instrument is sitar. Okay. Take out page number 29, the insect world. The number of insect species is believed to be between 6 and 10 million. Insects have 2 antennae. It has 3 pairs of legs. In this lesson, what you have to do? You have to unscramble the letters to get the name of each insect. Number 1. Dash are usually attracted to white flowers. They can see the color white easily in the dark. The answer is moths. M-O-T-H-S. Moth is an insect with 2 pairs of broad wings. Second one, the ears of a dash are near its knees. Look at the picture. The answer is grasshopper. Grasshopper is a plant-eating insect with long hind legs. Okay. Third one, dash are the fastest flying insects, reaching speed of over 50 km per hour. They have 4 wings and can fly backwards. Dragonflies. Dragonfly is an insect. They are expert flyers. They can fly straight up and down. Number 4. There are more kinds of dash than there are varieties of any other creatures. Answer is beetles. Beetles are group of insects. They are not categorized as harmful insect to human beings. They do not spread diseases. Okay. Okay children, you have to write the answers in your GK textbook. Thank you.